In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Etsy message auto reply. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your weekly auto reply and set a temporary one for vacations or busy periods, all from your Etsy shop tools. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. In the results, click the first official Etsy link to head to the site. Once you're there, log into your account so you can access your shop tools and messages. To edit your weekly auto reply, begin by opening your account. From there, go to Account Settings. Next, navigate to Shop Manager, which is where you'll find your shop's communication tools. Inside Shop Manager, open Messages. Look to the top right of the Messages page, next to the Compose button, and click the Auto Reply button. In the options that appear, select Weekly Auto Reply. A pop-up window will open where you can edit the default message. Keep your message friendly, clear, and helpful. For example, greet the buyer, thank them for reaching out, and let them know when you typically reply. You might include your standard response time during business hours and a brief note on what to expect if they message you outside those hours. Avoid sharing personal contact details. Keep everything within Etsy for safety and professionalism. Below the message box, adjust your business hours by selecting the days and time ranges when you're available. This schedule tells Etsy when to send the auto reply, typically outside your set hours. Double-check your time zone and make sure the days and times reflect your actual availability. If your hours change seasonally, a quick update here can prevent confusion and reduce follow-up messages. When you're done, click Save to apply your weekly settings. If you need to edit a temporary auto reply, return to the auto reply button at the top right of Messages and click it again. This time, choose Temporary Auto Reply. In the pop-up, enter a message tailored for short-term situations like a weekend away or a special event. Keep it concise but informative, letting buyers know you've received their message and when you'll be back. Set the duration so the auto reply runs only for the dates you specify. This helps you pause and resume normal communication without extra work. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. With your weekly and temporary auto replies set, your shop will communicate clearly with buyers even when you're not at your desk, improving response expectations and keeping conversations professional.